how to turn on use custom notifications on Signal application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on custom notifications on your Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application, click on it and click on your conversation or your group. For example, this is my group. Click on it and now click on the first, like the profile up there, and all I need to do is click on sound and notifications and click on the last option, which is custom notifications. And now you have messages, use custom notifications, turn on this option, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.